I knew I was gonna need my jacket, dude. But I brought it when it wasn't raining. And now it's raining.
What is she looking at? See the field down there?
She's all like, I don't want to go down there,
That
fool.
right there, fool.
Oh, look, it's too much light, fool. It's blocking it. I'm looking at it.
Big rock. All right, Mom, I got you up there. Start watching, bro. Oh, look at this one, dude.
Check it out, fool. That's monsoon season, dog. It goes from 1:30 till raining on your ass, fool. I bet you were dying when you were working in that 1:30, were you?
That one what?
That 1:30 the other day? Well, it's like 1:25. It's on Monday, dude.
Alright, dude, we're safe so far, so there's nothing on my road. Oh, this rock, dude. Look at the top of this, fool. Look at the top, dude. Oh, it's coming, fool. Look at Mo, it's coming. Look.
Oh, yeah, fool.
Look at that shit over there, dude.
It's like waving towards us, fool.
Dude, look at the wall right there, fool. It's fucking just disappearing, fool.
That's crazy. We haven't seen rain like this whole year.
And it's real higher and I'm looking in here.